Have you ever seen a fruit that looks like a bell, smells like roses, and tastes light, juicy, and refreshing? Yes, today we're talking about the rose apple, a beautiful tropical fruit with great farming potential. If you're searching for a unique cash crop, stay till the end. Rose apple is a tropical fruit tree known for its crisp texture, mild sweetness, and pleasant rose-like fragrance. Despite its name, it is not related to apples at all. It grows best in warm and humid regions, making it ideal for tropical farmers. Rose apple prefers temperatures between 20 to 35 degrees Celsius. Too much cold can slow its growth. The soil should be well drained, loamy or sandy, with a pH between 5.5 and 7.5. Avoid waterlogging. Good drainage is very important. You can grow rose apple using seeds, but they grow slowly. For commercial farming, grafting or budding is the best choice. Faster growth, earlier fruiting, and better quality fruits. Maintain 6 to 8 meters spacing between trees for sunlight and airflow. Young plants need frequent watering. Once mature, watering twice a week is enough. Use balanced NPK fertilizer and add cow dung or poultry manure to keep the soil healthy. Rose apple trees start fruiting in 3 to 5 years. The harvest season usually comes between April and July. A healthy tree can give 30 to 100 kilograms of fruit per season with proper care. Rose apple farming is simple, low maintenance, and profitable. Perfect for farmers who want to try something different. Would you like more videos on unique fruit farming? Tell us in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture.